Istanbul airport of Turkey shuts down amid snow havoc in southeastern Europe. Greece and all of the Greek islands of the Aegean are under snow. Europe's busiest airport shut down in Istanbul on Monday, while schools and vaccination centers closed in Athens, as a rare snowstorm blanketed swaths of the eastern Mediterranean, causing blackouts and traffic havoc. Now, in Athens, we expect on Thursday will be much better. Now, the closure of the Istanbul airport, where the roof of one of the cargo terminals collapsed under heavy snow, causing no injuries, grounded flights stretching from the Middle East and Africa to Europe and Asia. Travel officials told AFP that it marked the glass and steel structure's first shutdown since it replaced Istanbul's old Atatürk airport at the new hub of Turkish Airlines in 2019. The winter's first snow created a fun atmosphere across the squares of Istanbul's center, where children build snowmen and tourists pose for selfies, but it proved a major headache for the 16 million residents of Turkey's largest city, where cars plowed into each other, skidding down streets. Sleet-covered streets, highways turn into parking lots. I've been to Istanbul 3 times. That's Constantinople. There's a lot of hills, so obviously you're going to have a lot of skidding, icy streets. Going up and down hills is not going to be easy in the snow and ice. So the Istanbul government office warned drivers they would not be able to enter the city from Thrace, that's northern Greece, a region stretching across the European part of Turkey to its western border with Bulgaria and Greece. Shopping malls closed early, food delivery services shut down, and the city's iconic Simit bagel stand stood empty because suppliers could not get through the snow. The storm blocked roads across central and southeastern Turkey before crossing into neighboring Syria, where it piled more misery on this country's northern refugee camps. Istanbul Airport services more than 37 million passengers last year, becoming one of the world's most important air hubs. Now, due to the adverse conditions, all flights have been temporarily stopped for air safety, the airport said in a statement, posting pictures on Twitter of yellow snowplows circling stranded airplanes. The airport extended its suspension twice, saying late Monday that the service would not resume before 4 a.m. on Tuesday. Everything is frozen. But most of Turkey's main institutions stayed open. But in Greece, where overnight temperatures plummeted to minus 14 degrees Celsius, that's 6.8 degrees Fahrenheit, the storm suspended a session of parliament and forced schools and vaccination centers to close. Thousands of motorists were trapped in cars around the capital, many of them venting their anger on TV stations despite attempts by police to seal off motorway entries into the north of the city, where the snow is about, I would say, 2-3 feet high. My wife has had nothing to eat since morning. We had a small bottle of water between us. One driver, who identified himself as Christos, said everything is frozen stiff. Greece's climate crisis and Civil Protection Minister Christos Stylianidis apologized for the chaos and blamed the company managing the motorways for not keeping them clean. He says if the company had acted appropriately, we would not have had this problem. So a cold snap with sub-zero temperatures and Gale-Force winds has hit Athens back last year, February 2021. The snow uncharacteristically fell on several Aegean Sea islands this time, isolating mountain villages of Andros, Naxos, Tinos, covering beaches in Mykonos, then in summer Party Island, as we know. This is by Agency France Presse on FIS.org. Please leave your comments and thank you for your support. Finally, support my Patreon account. The daily posts are 5 videos daily, and they are totally different from what I have on my YouTube channel. Thank you so much for your support and that you find all my content so interesting. You'll find the Patreon account details in the description box.